three step or three aspect of Qigong. One is pure awareness, always starting the awareness of your own body, your own sensation, feeling, including your thoughts, and deeply more aware of energy. And the second is connection. So I also want to mention the 5 connections we're making. First is, most importantly, is connecting with yourself internally, your own mind, body, heart, spirit. And secondly is connecting with the earth. The third is connecting with the universe above you. The fourth one is connecting with others. Including all relationship, all the participants, entire humanity. And of course, the last one is the most important is connecting with the chi field, the cumulative energy with our intention, dedication, and the continuous commitment to this energy quality of wisdom, loving kindness, compassion, healing, and deeper awakening. So allow yourself again, continuously relax with your eyes gently closed. And deeply embracing all the sensation, feeling inside of your body. With a pure awareness. With a gentle intention to connect, to feel, to experience, and to discover and the deeper dimensions inside of your body. Acknowledging all sensation, feeling inside of your body as pure expression of energy. Some part of your body, energy is flowing well, feel more comfortable. And some part of your body, energy might be contracted, stressed, blocked. You may experience all different sensations, even emotion of discomfort, tightness, even pain. And continuously feeling the loving kindness, the compassion, and towards your own body, especially any part of your body, feeling tightness, feeling pain, and feeling any discomfort, contraction. You may remember the inner smile we have been practicing. You can smile to this part of your body. You can visualize pure energy as pure light. You can visualize the beauty, the joy, like the flower inside of your body. And continuously sending the most loving, joyful, healing energy information deeply into your body. You're not only loving your body, you're also training your body. You're changing the habit of your body. From stress, from contraction, to easiness, to openness. And you're also awakening your body to the power of energy, to the creative flow of energy, and to the natural intelligence of energy. And continuously relaxing, smiling inwardly. Visualizing the pure energy as pure light deep inside of you, expanding to the ocean of light beneath you. Pure energy has no boundary, no limitation, no separation. Continuously relaxing, visualizing the pure energy expanding above you to the ocean of light above you. It comes into the entire universe. Pure energy naturally responds to your deepest intention, deepest dedication. continuous feeling, the personal, the collective, intention, dedication for healing, awakening ourselves, healing, awakening of each other, healing, awakening of all life on the planet Earth. And feeling, visualizing all the connection, energetic connection in this chi field with all the collective, the cumulative, local, non-local, including all the healing energy as you've been cultivating, sharing, embodying, continuously relaxing, allowing pure energy, pure essence, pure wisdom, pure loving kindness, pure compassion, pure vibration, pure movement of life, pure blood, flowing deeper and deeper and deeper now. All the function of physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, personal, collective, naturally awakening, naturally connecting, naturally harmonizing, in the oneness of pure energy, in the oneness of life. Feeling your body, connecting with your body, slowly, gently moving your body from your hip, rotating from your hip slowly, deeply. You may say to your hip, I love you. I appreciate you. And slowly rotating shoulder joints. Again, sending the loving message, I love you. I appreciate you. I want to feel you. Again, gently, deeply moving your spine. Stretching, opening, connecting. In spite of any tightness, any blockages, any discomfort, you may say, I love you, my spine. I appreciate you, my spine. I want to feel you, my spine. And then moving your entire body freely. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Howla, howla.